Talking about myself. Um, my name is Cindy Lorena Nestroza. I am single. I am from Cali, Colombia. I am supervisor inventory in Coexito SAS. I am a student in National Open a Distancia University Business Administration. I am living in Hamdi, Valle. I am free time and like listening music outside. Talking about my city. The main tourist place in the city is River Pance in the town La Orayani. Also can go to Chuf or San Antonio. You can go Cali, Suf, and time in family. Uh, in the typical food in my city is lounge with rique, chique, or sancocho. The afternoon a script of in Hamundi. In the night, con a empanada with gilulo. You can also drink beer and dance in salsa.